That's not fair, Kaylin.
Oh, poor Aadi.
Huh, I'll see you later. I need to go home to do my homework. Bye, Eve.
Aadi, why are you writing the same sentence over and over again?
This is my homework. I have to write this sentence 10 times. I'm so tired. Can you write this for me, Gogu?
Do you like it if I eat all your cookies?
No, that's my cookie!
Exactly! And this homework is yours too, so you should do it yourself.
I guess you're right. Finally, my homework is done. I hope Mrs. Neera likes it. Bye, Gogu. I'm going to school. I hope I impress Eve today.
How are you going to do that, Aadi?
If Mrs. Neera likes my homework and appreciates me, then Eve will be impressed.
Good luck, Aadi!
Good morning, class. Have you all done your homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Colin, what about you?
Ma'am, I was about to do it, but...
Ma'am, he was playing all evening.
Colin, you should always do your homework. It's important.
Sorry, ma'am.
Today, I'll teach you something cool. When you do your homework, you write in your notebooks, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know, a computer can write for you too?
How, ma'am?
When I ask you to write something, you use a notebook. In the same way, a computer writes on the screen using a language called Python.
How do you tell the computer to write?
Good question, Aadi. In Python, we use the print statement. Let me show you.
Wow.
Ma'am, can we print anything?
Yes, Aadi.
Ma'am, can I try?
Sure, Kaylin.
Can I try?
Yes, Aadi. Aadi, making fun of others isn't nice.
Sorry, ma'am.
So, kids, the print statement is very powerful. Let me show you how.
Ma'am, this is an easy calculation that even I can do.
Colin, Python can solve more difficult calculations too. Watch this. There's much more the print statement can do, but we'll save that for tomorrow.
Hi, friends! Today we learned that using the print statement in Python, we can display anything on the screen. Just write print and inside the quotes, write anything like your name, alphabet, or add numbers, and the answer will be printed there. Isn't it super easy?